The only elevator to success is the stairs. One step at a time. And every step you take must be earned with effort, sweat, and the unshakable decision to work harder every day. There is no shortcut to greatness. Only struggle will earn you your spot at the top. Anyone can be good once. Anyone can shine for a moment. But true greatness belongs to those who are consistent, those who refuse to settle, those who demand excellence from themselves daily. There is a mindset, very rare, unshakable, relentless. It is the mindset of those who don't clock out, retreat, and fold. It is the no day off mentality. It means 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. You are committed, not just involved. You've got one life, one shot, no rewinds. So why play small? Why give average effort and expect elite results? This is your time, your grind, your fire. So say it with me. No day off, 247 in 365 days. No day off. Because champions don't clock out. They rise, they grind, and conquer. Success does not take a day off. Dreams don't rest. Purpose doesn't sleep. The world might stop for holidays, distractions, or excuses, but not you. Because you are not chasing comfort, you are chasing greatness. This is not about killing yourself with business. It is about living with intention. Every day, every hour, every decision is aligned with your mission. Why others are partying, you are planning. Why they are sleeping in, you are stepping up. Why they doubt, you do. Why they wait, you work. You don't need motivation to keep going. You need discipline. Because motivation fades, but discipline builds legacies. When it is raining, you train. When you are tired, you push. When it hurts, you keep going. Because rest is earned, not given. The gap between ordinary and legendary is not talent. It is consistency. You are the one stopping you. It is not the obstacles. If you check very well, you will notice distractions in your system. And this happens because of your lack of laser focus, coupled with your laziness. What is the usefulness of your dreams without action? Dreams are not fulfilled by desire alone, and vision without work is nothing but a fantasy. If you want it, go get it. You have to outwork every excuse, every fear, every distraction, and every moment of doubt. Success doesn't come from one good day of work. It comes from the discipline to show up day after day and put in the work, even when no one is watching, even when it doesn't feel good, even when it is hard. People will call you obsessed. Let them. They will say you are too intense. Then you smile. Because what they don't understand is that to win, you must be all in. Not sometimes, not when it is easy, but always. If you want to be unstoppable and you want to be remembered, you must wake up each day and decide. Always remember the catchphrase. I will work harder today than I did yesterday. I will give my all today. I will break through the barrier today and no limit to what I can achieve. The mindset of no day off will make you push your limits, discipline your mind, and strengthen your spirit. Because the only way to grow is to go through the pain, the pressure, and the process. And as you do, you rise. You become the one they said couldn't make it. So get up, Show up, and every time you feel like giving less, give more. You weren't born to be average. You were born to be exceptional. And the key, it is work harder every day.